Does the NAISIGOO hair removal device work? What's up guys, it's your girl American Gyaru and I'm back with another video. This is the first time I'm trying any professional hair removal device. If you're grossed out of this kind of stuff, definitely click off. I love using and trying out at-home spa day devices. This is something that's really practical for me, and if it really works, I'm gonna be forever grateful to NAISIGOO. This is what it comes with. Hopefully this is super user friendly. So case, the product itself, a shaver, eye protecting glasses, pretty styling, charging cord, and it has a user manual. So far it doesn't seem complicated, but you just never know. It actually tells you of all the places that you can use it. So let's see, wow, you can use it on your face. Your face, your cheeks, your forehead center, upper lip, okay, the temple. Basically you can use it all over your body. Underarms, armpits, arms, neck, back, chest. Ooh, I kind of do have some hair between my chest. Quick start guide, number 1. Oh, you actually do have to shave. Wear your goggles, you can do a skin test, so there's different levels. Connect the power. I'm actually nervous. I don't know. I wonder if there's gonna be any discomfort. Probably should remove my jewelry. I'm not that hairy under my armpits, but I did kind of grow out too, so it's like some hairs, some pretty sparse hairs. Hopefully I have the area. I got some pretty extra long ones there. So I have some bald spots on my legs. I grew it out just for you guys. No, I just grew it out because I get lazy. This is a good depiction of what my current situation is. So it says to shave. So I'm gonna shave all the hair off. So I shave the hair off first. Okay. So I shaved my legs using the shaver that it came with. I got my shades on. Okay, now it's on because it makes this noise. That's the power button. It doesn't hurt, but it is so bright, guys. I don't want to look away. And you're just supposed to spot treat it basically. And it's actually interesting because it's nice and cooling. It's not hot at all. It really is this easy to remove hair and this works. I'm gonna be so shook. There's no pain whatsoever. I need to make sure that I don't miss any spots, I start off with the minimal level, but you can go all the way to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well, there's up to 6 levels. I think I'm gonna try the higher level for my armpits. I feel like I felt no discomfort, so I definitely wanna increase the level of frequency on here. Like I said, it's not really much going on here. So this is really fun. I'm so stoked, you guys. You guys have no idea. I'm gonna go to level 4. I can kind of smell the hair burning, to be honest, guys. It's crazy. I'm a little scared. It doesn't hurt though, as far as pain goes. I'm not feeling any pain. I feel a little heat. All right, guys. So we just finished session 1. I am super excited. I actually think I'm gonna have a higher result on my armpits first because I raised the level of frequency on it. I can't wait to follow up with you guys, and I'm really hoping to see some results. What's up, guys? So it's actually been about 2 weeks. I wanted to show you guys before I start the next IPL treatment, my leg hairs, just to see what difference was made, if there was any. Definitely do see quite a bit of progress after just 1 use. Little patches of hair growth. I don't know if you can see the little black dot areas. That's where the hair would grow, but it actually hasn't grown. There's just some long hair areas, but I really do see the results of where hair should be growing, but it hasn't. This is definitely working. So that's the realistic progress after just 1 use. I'm actually on my way to work, but tomorrow's my day off. I'm gonna use my second IPL treatment, but clearly it's definitely been working. So yeah, I'll check in with you guys tomorrow. So this is the second treatment that I'm gonna do. I'm gonna turn the mode up, so I think it will have a more stronger effect on the hair growth. I don't know if y'all can see, but I'm turning up the modes here. I can't really see, but ooh. There's no pain. I'm a little sweaty. So I got electrolysis years ago. I don't really have like major mustache hair. I'll just go ahead and go over it, maybe a little bit on my face. I'll go with like level 3. I'm a little nervous, so I'm actually gonna do my armpit. I don't really have that much armpit hair, but I'm gonna go ahead and continue that. There's just been a few little armpit hairs growing back. And I didn't even say why I have these on. I have this on because I'm oiling my hair as well. Right now I'm doing a Pamper day, guys, so I'm not just a weird psycho. I mean, I am a weirdo, but don't want to scare you guys. I'm not some weird Disney pervert or something. I think I got that side really good. The only thing that I have not done yet is my bikini line. I'll let you know of the progress on that. Definitely want to get that area nice and clean. It's just like hygiene wise, especially like, you know, area where you poop. I don't want any hair there and all that. So anyways, having hair in certain areas and you're tired of shaving all the time and you want just silky skin, oh my gosh, this is amazing. It is a bit of an investment, but in comparison to getting it professionally done in like a salon or a spa, we're talking saving hundreds and thousands of dollars. This machine, I believe, is like $300 something. So if you guys are interested, I'll put the information in my link down below. I'll see you guys soon. If you don't mind, my room is like so messy. This is gonna be my 3rd treatment, and I've been using this on my armpits, on my legs, on my bikini area, even on my mustache area. I've been using it on my pico area. This stuff actually works. Remember, I've only done 2 treatments, and I'm gonna show you the progress before I do the 3rd treatment. I just have some patchy areas. Like, it's very minimal. And again, I told you guys that I've only done this twice. So I'm gonna shave this area here. So you have to shave your legs and then you do the treatment. Stragglers. So here we go, I'm just shaving.
You can see some nub areas here, but nothing crazy. Eventually I probably won't even have these nubs.
It's just those things that you just wish you'd done sooner in your life. And it's just one less thing you have to do every I don't know, week. Also armpits, guys, like I'll show you. I might have a couple, I don't know. I never really had that many arm hairs. I've always plucked my arm hairs because of the minimal amount, but there's a couple of like hairs, like, so I'm just gonna go ahead and shave that off. But yeah, I don't really have, but I still wanna go over it with the peach fuzz, and just like, I do have some straggly arm hairs. Like, I'm literally doing this before work. I'm gonna say hello. This is my bestie right now. You have to just hold it down like that. I just finished session 3 of my IPL hair remover technology, and the brand is NAISIGOO. So I'm really grateful. This is just something that changes your life. Smooth legs. Let's show you. Smooth legs. Ooh la la. Anyways, I will be checking in another week or 2 to show you guys the progress of the 3rd treatment, and we'll get into the 4th treatment. What's up, guys? I am always in this position because this is where like the natural light comes through, so you can see better, hopefully, of the results. But I don't know if this is like the 3rd or the 4th. I think this is the 4th. Yeah, I think this is the 4th check-in. Let me just show you. The results are going to speak for itself. Okay, so I think I have a couple of stragglers. Is that what it is? I actually don't. I see 1 or 2 hairs. I see 1 or 2 hairs. Do you guys see that? Check. A few hairs here. Okay, let's try the other side. Because I can't even see. Should I make it brighter? I really need you guys. I really need to make sure I'm doing this justice. This is my armpit, guys, just so that anyone's confused. Just jumping on right now. At this point, moving forward, and this is the, again, the shaver it came with. Just a couple of sparse hairs here and there. And I'm gonna turn it up to highest. Not highest, because I'm scared. But look at all those modes on there, really. You can really build yourself up to getting a more quick result. So nice and cooling. A little while to trust the process or trust the instrument, because it feels like it should be painful. Now, on the bikini area, I will say it is sensitive, so you do want to make sure that you have it on a low setting. I would start off with even 1 or 2, depending on how close you are around that area there. Obviously, I won't show you the results of that, but that is taking a little bit of a longer process to complete because the hair is a little bit more coarse. But it's definitely working, and I think what I'm going to do is, guys, I'm going to show you, and surely my legs. You will be able to see the results mostly in the legs, and that's why I really need to make sure that I'm giving you guys the right lighting and everything. And I forgot to shave the hair off. If you don't shave the hair, guys, you are gonna smell a little bit of like a burnt hair thing. Nothing to be scared of. You know, that's how you know she's working. You're aware, and like I said, I believe in this thing so much. I've had it now for obviously over a month, and to see the results, just mind-blowing. Or most women, depending on your culture or belief system, would like to have, you know, some convenience and some really nice silky smooth legs and skin. So IPL, this really does help with that. I was also looking up, IPL technology is used for just a lot of good things for your skin. It re-stimulates your skin. Depending on your skin type, could take away some hyperpigmentation. And I just really want to show you guys just a few straggler hairs, right? Can you see that? With 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and then you'll see another patch of some hair, right? Some stubble, right? But not quite going through, not quite poking through. And then you'll see like a couple of sparse hairs. It's not because I missed areas in shaving. This is just the system working at different times. Same on this side. So you're gonna see a couple of hairs here and there, right? Like I said, I'll just let it speak for itself. I can only imagine after 8 treatments what this would possibly look like. Smooth, not even any stubble. Let me know if you guys want me to continue to do like a week, or not week, because I can't do a week to week, continual check-in with this device until I don't have any hair or stubble. This may be the last treatment that I am showing, but be rest assured that I will continue to use it until my satisfaction. I absolutely love this product. If you guys are interested, I will have all the details down below, and we could be on our hair loss journey together. I just love it. But shaving it off, especially like in your kneecap area, you know, it's really hard. So it's just nice to get it, all that smooth hair off. So I'm gonna continue to do this, guys, up to 6 levels. So I can probably go to the highest level just to kind of show you guys. And there's no pain. Probably the biggest thing that people are afraid of. I know I was when I first started doing this. Obviously it's permanent, so don't be using it on your eyebrows or something. All right, guys, so I am going to my poor plant. It needs some water. I'm on my way to work, and I forgot to insert the final reveal. So these are my armpits. Awesome. In the bright daylight. Let me show you my other arm. Guys, and then these are my legs. You see very minimal stubble here. There you go. I see a couple of sparse hairs here. Here and there. So that's going to conclude everything. If you guys have any additional questions, like I mentioned, definitely let me know in the comment section below. Email me. So thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful and valuable. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, dolls.